What's up, guys, and welcome to the second episode of the Amuse upload series, basically music distribution 101. So today I'm gonna be releasing a track. Actually, I'm gonna be going through the process of releasing a song, and so this is just like the basics of releasing a song. So first, since I have the app, I'm just gonna say release music. Okay, now we're in the app, and this is my latest release, by the way. Tell My Story, and you can check it on all, like, it's live on stores. It's live on Apple Music, Tidal, Amazon Music, Google Play Music, YouTube Music, like just a whole bunch of stores. Okay, so first I'm gonna press this plus button, and then okay, so it says release title. So I'm gonna title it Early Days, and then I'm gonna select the language that I want to upload in. I mean the language of the title, which is English. Genre is gonna be hip hop. And then the label name is going to be Short Lived Records, because like that's the name I came up with for a label. Basically, I'm not signed like to a big label. Short Lived Records is my label, basically, and it's a dope label, I guess. Okay, distribute to all countries. Has this release been live? No. Proposed release date, to be honest, I don't feel like releasing in December. January 25. So now I'm gonna add the audio file, and guys, by the way, they only accept wave files and FLAC with a sample rate of 44.1 kilohertz. Okay, so I'm gonna upload instrumental versions. I'm uploading instrumentals. So contain any singing? No. There's no explicit content. Don't forget to like mark these things, guys. Don't skip anything. And it's not explicit. Recorded in 2019. No content ID. Original. I'm gonna be the writer here. This is my name, like my name. Then as a contributor, I'm gonna add Yatchi Freeform, so that I'm credited like on like streaming platforms as well. So I'm gonna be the producer and the mixer. And then ISRC, you don't need one. They're gonna give you one, don't worry about that. And so let's upload, guys. So you can choose to upload from your phone, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Personally, I prefer Dropbox, guys, because uploading from my phone just it's a pain, guys, to be honest. Because like when you upload through your phone onto Amuse, I would say their system isn't proper, as in like your upload will sometimes like stop at 95 and you're like, what's happening? It's gonna take time. I mean, it's just too much. Okay, so I'm gonna go through Dropbox, and I'm gonna go to album. Okay, I got Dirty World. Yes. Okay, this is Dirty World, the single. And then I'm gonna add another track. Upload, Dropbox, and I'm gonna add Early Bird as well. So now that I've uploaded 2 tracks, you see it's just done, just finished right now. No long process. That's what I like. Okay, so the track title for this one is Early Bird. So I'm gonna name it Early Bird, or I can name it Winter Season. Okay, Early Bird, simple. There's a track I did with some guy with Alpha, and it's Winter Season. I could have named it Winter Season Instrumental, but then I wanted to keep its original form, so I'm gonna name it Early Bird. So no content ID because I used the sample. Please, guys, please don't monetize. Don't press monetize, guys, please, because you're gonna hurt other creators who use the same sample. I've been through that, guys. Like, I've been through it. Okay, I add myself. Add, close, and I add myself Yatchi Freeform as the producer and the mixer. There I am, producer and the mixer. And And then yeah, that's it for this track. And then I'm gonna go back to the early days, and I'm gonna edit the name to Dirty World because it changed up the name due to it being one release, so it took the original name, naming it Early Days. Okay, it's instrumental version, everything's set here. Yeah, the writer is yourself, guys. Everyone, like, you see, you have to put yourself down. Contributors, everything, yeah. Set for this. Okay, short-lived records, early days, English, everything's down, guys. So now all I gotta do is upload the image, and then I'll be done with what I'm doing. So yeah, guys, please just wait. I'm gonna get the image, then I'm gonna crop it quick, then I'm gonna put it back. Okay guys, so I just got the artwork and converted it to 3000 by 3000 pixels using resize my image. So it's basically a website where you can resize your images. Yeah. And yeah, so I got the image, and I'm gonna show you in the next tutorial how I do it, by the way, like my image is my artwork. So I press upload. Now this is for the image of early days, and this is it. Oh my gosh, let me see this. To be honest, okay, there's no text, there are no logos, no, everything is crisp. Now it's uploading the artwork, and yeah, it's uploading it. Okay, let's just wait a little, guys, please. Okay, no, let me wait for it to finish uploading the art. Okay guys, the artwork has uploaded, and yeah, everything's set literally. So I'm gonna press next. Ready to launch, 25 January, Saturday 2020 release. Yeah, and guys, by the way, I'm gonna be doing a YouTube video. I don't know if I said this before, but I'm gonna be doing one about how I make my artwork, where I get it, and how I resize it. Yeah, so this is the information so far, guys. See, I've just submitted the track. This is the information. See, Yari Freeform, I'm Yari Freeform. Writer, that's my real name, and producer, I mixed and produced it, and this is the file name, but this is the release name, and this is the notification. See guys, your release is in review. And yeah, literally, like, guys, I have done it. These are my other releases, guys, by the way. And that's it. Peace out, man. Peace out, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, check out my beats, and be ready for the next one. And by the way, guys, you can go onto Instagram and DM me like what questions you'd like me to answer on the next episode, so that I can